Hi, welcome to another episode of Reclaim Your Professional Identity. I'm your host, Nathan Pearce, and this is brought to you by Risk-Free Side Hustle, which you can find at rfsh.co. Okay, let's dive into a topic that's crucial for anyone starting a side hustle, and that's getting the legal and compliance aspects right. Two of the least sexy terms. I know, legal stuff can seem daunting, but addressing these considerations up front can save you from headaches down the road and set your venture up for success. First off, have you thought about whether you need to register your side hustle as an official business? Depending on your location and the nature of your work, you might need to formalize your business structure. Many side hustles start as sole proprietorships, which is the simplest form and often doesn't require formal registration. However, this means your personal assets aren't separated from your business liabilities. On the other hand, forming a limited liability company, or LLC, can provide a layer of protection by keeping your personal and business assets separate. This involves registering with your state and paying a filing fee, but it might be worth it for the peace of mind. It's also important to check your local and state requirements, as some places require registration for all business activities, especially if you're operating under a name different from your own. Now, let's talk taxes. Earning income from your side hustle means that you'll need to navigate self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare contributions. If you're making more than $400 from your side gig, the IRS expects you to report this income. And if your side hustle is bringing in substantial earnings, you might need to make estimated quarterly tax payments to avoid penalties. The good news is, many of your business-related expenses, like equipment, software, or office supplies, can be deducted, reducing your taxable income. Keeping detailed records is key. Consider using accounting software to track your income and expenses. And it might be wise to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're on the right track. I really recommend doing that. Depending on what your side hustle entails, you might need specific permits or licenses to operate legally. For example, if you're running a home-based business, some local governments require a permit. Selling products, you might need a sales tax permit. The requirements can vary widely based on your industry and location, so it's essential to research what's necessary for your particular situation. Your local government's website is a good starting point, and don't hesitate to reach out to a local business association for guidance. Protecting yourself with the right insurance is another important consideration. Depending on your side hustle, general liability insurance might be appropriate, covering things like accidents or damages. If you're offering professional services, professional liability insurance can protect you against claims of negligence or errors. It's all about assessing the risks associated with your work and ensuring you're covered should something unexpected happen. Reflecting on these points, consider this. Have you taken the necessary steps to ensure your side hustle is legally compliant? And are there areas where you might need to seek additional guidance or make adjustments? By addressing these legal and compliance aspects early on, you're not only protecting yourself, but also laying a solid foundation for your side hustle to thrive. It might require some upfront effort, but it's an investment in the longevity and success of your future. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, stay informed, stay compliant, and keep pushing forward with your entrepreneurial dreams.